Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho muligereria Wensoko TV, karibu sana naende nigora sechinga kia semesa yama ya kuru Wensoko chinsa isatu asobo tukoboiga bwe Jumatano ya 15 agatatu somo tinyu kabere umwako iga bwe chirubere 25 ne monchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi.
Na nchenkoro kwa Kerubo Freedom Mwancho mulielia, karibu sana tosanga sobo amo kuchaka bono iga goika omoelio. Nyarage kuraga chinsa isato nenu sonto beto kumera nano mwa MC kurwa se wodeli ye ibeno Steve Arika yorabeka ukwane regoro yobokoreri ase serikali ya county ya Kisii siasa nabo iga sensemeli ya magenda kondo Mwancho mulielia yango trayanyara sinchira yobwenge.
Bwata bobisa bako enda baba korero bosomia na kibabwente kusimeka na ende kibabwente ko genda ne orogongo na ruwa onchulire ka rese sweta ka tanga tabia inchi ya chenchirie inabono ya chenchirigo en sensei yiga yaito ya gusi
abaremi go semigwa kugore mbusurengi keranu elio kweneke aligesa ligia.
Sisi kama Jubilee na PNU tumeshikana tukasema kiongozi wetu kwa hiyo kiti ni Matiang'i. Lakini process ikifika iseme sio yeye ni mwingine na iwe ni process ya uasi, tuko tayari kuunga hiyo mkono.
Ababwatani ba PNU koralia gusira Dr. Fred Matiang'i aseganga yayo kolige kirogo kyobora ibwense.
Madam Speaker, we must insist on this regulation so that those who are propagating their prejudices through religion, through other idiosyncrasies, such people should be made to account, and it is with those few remarks that I support.
Omujumbe Steve Mogaka oiroko boko gonchereria machiko yobotumeki bo mutandao o TikTok.
Karibu sana Mwancho muligereria bono botuko bwarero togochaka na robotero kubwatia ase abaremi abakabake kurwa se county chinke me county ya Kisii nigo lituko liarero benyorera amaigerio igoro yichinchira chokogora chimbusuro echo chirache ko bakonya gukine ligesa lyabo na gukura umuchando bwinchara ase ensi ya Kenya nabo igogosira emirobirio endera chekone kendagera so obonge.
Okwana nabalikimi mu Chobosongo nigo muteneneri bw'ekyombe ya Beas East Africa ekyo kyara maigeri ayo John Kanyingi aereiro buyabwa abalemi abakabake okora obolemi bobwenete aseli bakababwateli nene kurwania omuchando obwinchara
asebono hegati yabalemi abaikira na sensemo ibago keire amaigeri ayo na batebanga nigo abakonyire mono na boigo guche kubakonya aso kwegendria so bolemi bwabo Petuel Machini agotomanya senchira yubikira
Chingaki abaremi baganitse ko yarigania erigosimeka nene mona imeyo rogongo rwagusi nigobona abaremi basemiwe wetanga kurasoko ngoino na kugura chimusoro chitakirane chingaki bago korobaremi bwabo egento kiye koira barabo konyora rigesarike ukwana barikime mu Chobosongo nigo John Kanyingi oyore umuteneni we kyombegia baya East Africa aereire igoro yechinchira abaremi abange babere bakongainwa nakogura chimusoro chimbe echichigo kiyarigesariabo nabo yokwirira enchera kogendera comments kana imense ya Kenya
to encourage farmers to scratch KEFI stickers that are put on the bags so that we can participate in the fight against counterfeits. And number two, during the scratching, farmers also get an opportunity to win prizes like the pickup displayed here and some of the other farming equipment. And this is to say thank you to the farmers for the journey they've walked with us in trying to ensure food security in the country and also trying to make sure that on the other hand, we do it using genuine seed and not counterfeit seed.
Nigo Kanyingi asemira abaremi abakabake abo bakweneke mu chando bwo kubora kwendagira ngo ikakoro mwerio ko basigeta gusimega chimbusure cyo chibwenrete
Counterfeit seeds are a big threat to the economy because farmer pays money to buy seed, but what he gets on the farm is not seed that give him what he was looking for. And that means the productivity of the farms is much lower when you're talking about counterfeit seed. Small-scale farmers are the biggest contributor to food security in our country. We know maize is staple food in Kenya, in the other African countries, and 99% of food production or maize production is done by the smallholder farmers. And that's why there can never be maize production without the smallholder farmers. There can never be food security without the smallholder farmers. And that's why we are passionate about partnering with the smallholder farmers and also enabling them with the correct tools, the correct hybrid maize seeds, and also the tools to go around it. Fertilizers from fertilizer suppliers and all the other inputs that they require. But there is no secret to food security if we don't have smallholder farmers.
Nabune nchiremo yogokora umuchando bugunchira kwirire nigo abaremi bakonyikirene chimsurecho ase ogokora emechande yo.
Buyer we have always partnered with farmers trying to make their lives easier, and especially such at times when we have a lot of changes in global warming and changes in climate. We are leading in terms of technology, producing varieties which can be able to withstand harsh environment. We are producing varieties which can be able to withstand drought, which can be able to protect themselves against the diseases.
We have, in the last few years, experienced uncertainty in rainfall patterns. And what that means is that farmers are really thrown into confusion because they don't know when the rains are going to come and if they're going to be enough to support a full crop. And that is why when we have seeds that are adapted to these kind of patterns of weather, then we can guarantee that farmers are going to get a yield from what they are planting.
Alianka ntubwata bobisa bako enda baba korero bosomia na kibabwente kusimeka na ende kibabwente ko genda ne orogongo na ruwa onchulire ka rese swata batanga tabia inchi ya chenchirie na bono ya chenchirigo en sensei yega yaito ya gusi ntubwata chimbusuro cha DK chiko genda nenga kieyo ne mbeyo.
Asibono igatia baremi abo banyora maigeria yo bairere na abakonyire gukinera igesa riabo.
Hii shamba ilikuwa hapa awali nilikuwa natoa mahindi ndogo sana. Ikijaribu ilikuwa natoa gorogoro 10, lakini nilipopanda hiyo DK777 nilipata gunia moja na gorogoro 10 kutoka gorogoro 10 ambao nilikuwa napata hapo awali.
Mahindi imenisaidia kwa saa hii niko na wanafunzi wenye nafunza mahindi ndio wanachukua kwa shule. Labda ya kupeleka pesa kwa shule, sasa unapata niko na mahindi nachukua kwa shule, sasa inanikalia kazi rahisi, mahindi ndio inanilipia school fees.
Kwa ripoti ya Ensoko TV kutoka kaunti ya Kisii, Nchempethuel Machin.
Tukoskabasio mwancho murigeria MCA we ward ya township Mheshimiwa Duke Masira niga sabiro mugavana we county ya Nyamira koeneke buna nkoro siale chipara sensemo ya tente igotoka ime yo mucho Nyamira weterase okubwatoka ebiragita gochiase chinsemecho
Kaukwana kirabwatoka ng'ombe gochiase ya mate ya Jennifer Onchwari ime ya tente heyo yatigeretwe abana bakimono maiga yangina abana gosiria obugima nigo Duke atebire bono otigire chisegi no mugavana we county ya Nyamira Elia magendera be kagwikirana na gutumanya umurikito Steven Nyariki Embunde
Kobwatekana no gotatwara abo ikirano wechipara nena mono asensemo ya tente ward ya township imeyo mocho Nyamira nigo MCA bororo moskedi ukyo yagi Masira sabire umugavana Nyamira umoskamo sinyaribo kwene kinga kwanjira rebiragita herio bireme chipare cyo nago chibe komoro
tagitiko nje kotebya abantu baminto batente nga pole sana asa ni fairness ise serikali yetu ya Nyamira tu ababerere gochisimure tukagora chiparabara chiarenga ekero mugako mitonya karama arenge moyo lakini ngakurueri paka rero nothing has ever happened na ikaranshi mwako yo no watu wamocha kabiri kana nkarobuni elinga na mobwa kabisa na muikera anda akamingirulia ngori kana ikira ngakuganda runa nkumwani kirande mushukie chiro anda abachogo bakango saiga bono ngatige nsweli ali nandi nyigute ndani meka rutire bono tutagete kono gosaba ngoma nari kalirika kwa minchulia tari kwanja tokwanya abantu baminto batenda chipara chioka tu ntumbali kukoza bakendo monene epara yoka ebe santu abegete se budget tukabeka tukagure biragita ibira gitari ndo mwaka ga kigatwatiga mangana mangi bankani nororo bire bono nje mangana ase gitintagiti ebante biri ngatigese gusento kore rwegasi kare bo mwankani ngantigese gusento kore rwegasi
takereke kioni gene keiri omumenyi township anene mono Nyamira ngani gatigire kisegi cyo kumurwani umugabana Nyaribo eriyo amagendero anyare ko bagago ikiraniwa
nje mangana ase gitintagiti ebante biri ngatigese gusento kore rwegasi kare bo mwankani ngantigese gusento kore rwegasi akingo koraigwa sakari mwakwa na buya mwatebire ngatoke anise gyake tokore rwegasi no mugaka asare nera toigwe ngore twatigire nera tokorere gasi kata tokorere tigasi ko tugwitinga bado ke mina nonkero so ntu tutagete gusaba mwaka bono ne chikura turochi ntu bwana tikona ko sari chingaki cyoko korera abantu bamintu chigentu kyo kanari ko gusaba his excellence the governor musikamusi mu Nyaribo osobu ya bwawo tiga abantu bamintu bakorera chipara nakabesa kari twabeka gechinsoko tubwatokere tokorera abantu baminto chinsoko
nigo Moskeduke atebirenga nachigo tware gikaro no mugabana wa Nyamira
bono muna mwanto mire gamambi netoka ntuliko ramburira nakoboko biye go twasemani bono ninje murigie kamwanto mire moteno mwaka nche gatubwata no koboko bono mangana mangi ichisegi yasaho nkonyire nabwenire ntukiandiete bono nyasaho manyete bweka umbwatukire bono nonda n'abantu ababane nkora agendi turegente kena inu ndo kona kubatena mbwanga agatinda minjureri mukani nkora abande na inu waka
echingati yechipara chiri chabekiro moroberio hime yo mocho Nyamira
mangana wiye chipara na batebi I'll make sure asobu ya bwanya sai ntwara setiria ya muntu ayebekerte ro chibese yugo chakira abuburabu yambo kagende nyaibo pone pare yego chakira dubai yo ncho kagende nche kwamba kuchibukichora neye tirimbo getaiga gende bwongonse gende ichiko bwata neri elisasuliroche nero ntagite kugasa nere etete maeta igabwo mu his excellence the governor conference kurmata ari kanisa tente ekakwamire tari nakitoko nakuboringa naki abantu bande karimo ko gende chikoti mwachikotiri ni chipara bone pare lintu tokakojera osibuna yagateremia macha ari ego konga
aya niga yakwana hekero warwa esiro ya ng'ombe goche familia chene faonchwari ime ya tente aseba asiretwe no Moswati Ivarin Kerubo oyo tigete abana babere oyo mubumeti nyebere no yonde bwe myaka 10 asekorende are umurwaire
mungno na ro tigere tware nda bacu kurabo bono ne nanche ngabora ngange ndukina nche nda kole ko hanche ko utinyu mungno ya mariga na nje na rete rera ng'ombe yaiga nere chekiniri abacu kurabo baye yes akikianyi kia abantu baminto na nje ngarende enchera yoka yogosira chintakana neo nokubarigeria aganto nabaro barana gutamera mambia chombe tari jiro chichiko kinia na wano sumu chumotaka abantu baboka
na gwetera aso yo minto mwishimi watiuki orentire ng'ombe yo tiganya samusenie na ande boigo agendere gokorera abandi tari ntutweka diamona nande mbiamona etari kwera asengeje gwatokoreira amana asenka yaito erinde enyara ko bagego konye na bono umwana yo ndigeri bumitie nyebera umwana omoke nkorari yanda gochaso umwana oyo tiganya sandre kusinyo yo mintomo tiukigaki
Steven Nyarikembonde Ensoko TV county ya Nyamira
Wancho murigari atogusika bo siasa ya kubwatekana na siasa bono hekero embeo ya siasa gendrete guutirira embeo busibo bochore bono mwaka bwechirubere 2022 nigo bono omuringoria no manyi bwa mangana ya siasa John Ogero kurwase county ya Nyamira hatebire buna chinguru chikiama gya ODM nigo chigendrete koera
nigo aenekire buna ase engencho ekiamekyo yasoire getanda ne kiama gya UDA nigo Gero haragire buna ekiama gya ODM gochakere kobuneka abo asensemo ya balia abagotu bale magega y'omumurumu abo Raila Oburu Odinga neyende ekaba magega y'omulikyo monene bw'ikiama gya ODM Edwin Sifuna oyo okora bange asensemeli yabasaye mulikito Vincent Monda nakira na sensemechyo nabayo gutwariganiria roboti rukubwatia
Ebusa ya siasa imeye kiama kia ODM nigegendete kuimuka nyuma ya Secretary General Edwin Sifuna araba na siasa ba ODM batali na ODM asogokore gasi amono Muraibwense William Ruto ase tauni ya Kitengela omusangerekano yo obarit kolia Jumapili nigoreta abantu abange mono abo bakagire kubwatia amabartonya gusira Raila Odinga umuringolio yo siasa nigatebire buna Oburu Odinga nigatwarira abotobo nene bwo borai obubwagerire kiama kubuneka goika kabere
Oburu Odinga iga nyarire ko baga goseberekania ODM fraction ya yemo igo ya chire asoko boko kwae fraction yende ya chire asoko boko kwa Sifuna eyo etalibuya ono muno mogaka nigabwena tokoreta abana bayamo anyare ko baga ko babeka se nyumba eyemo anare ngo mogaka onyorire nga otwali robote wo kugamba nga konye tari kugamba buya nando nyorire nga nkoe gwakare oboko na komena oboko ba konyara ko baga ko na komena na bwagerire na konyara ko baga gusana mbarati se nyumba yae igo bono Oburu Odinga igatigire nyumba yae gikuya ochire komena oboke bukare siko boro siri no musacho nde cyakire gutumeka abantu komorengereri babo Gladys Wanga babo Junet Mohamed Sifuna muna na amarorire ne kijana omuyare nane ne kijana bwetomete kabisa nonye ne kerona arora umati arete irari areta ari Kitengela na jira komoranga mugusingo tebare nga etagweti ngina igeko gwise Sifuna igo ogure ise iso yore Raila Odinga
Ogero nigagoteba buna omong'uso Sifuna nigoro monene kubwatekana n'abantu bachaso musangerekano yo siasa ari Kitengera
enyomba Sifuna arenge ne nyomba yarenge ngia ne nyomba yabwata abana siasa abange abana fuasi nanda abange nande kera nyare kanenga enyombe ngonyara ko barga ko selwa because na agenda court yakanyara ko baga kotebunga nero mu secretary general so ikiama omonto boniga na bakwere asiboni ko ntokunyara ko predict osenga naro si kiama usita ko kiama aseke chinga kichira manyekane buya nekero twikirange no bochori wa 2027 aliora nyara ko bago kumanyanga monto oyo ikiama ikara nyara ko baga karosi nginyara ko baga ko mamatunda na bago nyara ko baga karosi ikiama na ande anyara ko baga gutwara fuasi abange because oyo ne kichana
korengana na Ogero Edwin Sifuna nigara chekorosi kiamekeya ekyo kirabaretamo Babu Owino James Orengo amona abande
na bakonyara ko bagakorosi kiama na ndebo nigase ensi ya roririgochi nonyana na boroche igerochi ase United Opposition United Opposition ye ngonyara ko berege ko teteo mwana nju kawaida nyara ko berege ko tetea mama mboga nyara ko berege ko tetea omwana boda boda asibuna kwa bolia Sifuna korosi kiama ngana ande na so opposition ime yunande na very right clean na wako so opposition ime because ase siasa ondeta yore musani na ande siasa ondeta yore muadui
libereraria Edwin Sifuna nigoria rigamoirie na komurusia ebigerio omorai kiama kia ODM Oburu Odinga oyororekanire koba omorosu ase emesangerekano yabo na kwa abantu amabolio amange igoro y'obochanu bwaye Vincent Monda Ensoko TV
Togoska bosio mwancho murigeria soroboti ronde kiama kia siasa gia PNU kiarire eira yogocha komosira oyo kabero mwaziri boborendi boime yense Dr. Fred Matiang'i asoba chori bore bosio bo mwaka bwechirubere 2022
Baukwa na somo chio Nairobi habarai yabo nigo bono baene kirego chia kwene kiabuna oborai boleo ngogenda bole inka kubwatikana n'oborai bwabo obobe nigo balire eira yogocha komoko boka Dr. Fred Matiang'i asiganga yayo kuligia ekirugo kyoborai bwense mulikito Linet Nyambane na Mange.
Sasa sisi kama Jubilee na PNU tumeshikana tukasema kiongozi wetu kwa hiyo kiti ni Matiang'i. Lakini process ikifika iseme sio yeye ni mwingine na iwe ni process ya uasi, tuko tayari kuunga hiyo mkono. Tunataka hiyo iwe wazi.
Gukwana nabariki bamangana amaya kurwa ase omubagani oyomo imeyumucho Nairobi nabarai bekiama gya PNU abubaene kirigo kya kumusira Fred Matiang'i ase eganga yaye yokurwanirira ekirugo ky'oburai bwense asobochori bore bosyo bumwaka bwechiribubere 2025 ase batebire tayari bachorire committee eyeguche kwenekia ing'aneyo.
Na kwa hivyo kwa sababu Wakenya wanataka alternative ya ile serikali ambayo imeshindwa na kazi, lazima hiyo alternative iwe imehusisha Wakenya kuchagua. Hivyo ndivyo tunasema sisi. Hivyo ndivyo tunasema. Tumechagua kamati, Secretary General alisahau kuwaambia ni muhimu. Tumechagua kamati ambayo itaketi sasa technical committee to work out the nitty-gritty of this arrangement, this agreement, this relationships.
As you are all aware, as the nation is aware, that PNU and Jubilee have been old allies. The party leaders of Jubilee and the former party leader of PNU set the transformative agenda that this country has been run on for the last 20 years. Of course, all these principles are being washed down the drain.
Bakoragwa n'umurai w'ikiama gya PNU Peter Munya niko batebire onye abarwaniriri be serikali baguciagucica amo na komochora umurwaniriria ase enchera y'obwasyoku iyo gucia kubwatirani abakenya tibaguce gutwara umuchando bwoko musira.
Yule atachaguliwa lazima iwe process ambayo ni wazi na ambayo inahusisha washikandao wote. Na washikandao wa muhimu zaidi ni Wakenya. Kwa sababu president yule atachaguliwa atakuwa akihudumia Wakenya, si ndio? Hata kuwa akihudumu kwa shamba lake ama kwa familia yake. Atakuwa akihudumia Wakenya.
If there will be any discussions in future, we are going to the table as a team, to the negotiation table, we are going as a team. I think it's important for the Kenyan people to know that we have started this work today and we are going to work together. And that is why we are starting our engagement in a way that is all inclusive, not just for the two parties, but to the Kenyan people.
Chinga kiechio Fred Matiang'i oyokorigia ekerogo kyoborai bwense nigo bono aruroko bore guciasa abakenya kuira ng'ora asatebire nigo abamireria be serikali bagenderete koroberia gucia gutenenia omurwaniriria oyomo asobochori bore bosyo.
I keep emphasizing this. I think it's important for the people of Kenya. My brothers and sisters, this is a journey. And it is not something that is going to be addressed and sorted out in a day. Building consensus. Look around the world and study, even coalition governments. Look at Europe, look at Israel and the others. To get people to align them, to align their visions, their platforms, their plan of government. It takes time. I don't know why we expect that it will be, a 1 day or 2 days affair. We are on a journey, and we hope that by God's grace, that journey will culminate in the best interests of the people of Kenya getting better leadership.
Gorpoteria en Soko TV, irietaria ne Linet Nyambane.
Tukoska bosyo mwancho murigeria ebungenene niko bono yachakire gukwandira umuswada uyurigetie koringoria hobotumiki bwe mitandao hane mono humtandao uri TikTok aiga sense ya Kenya engana ya iroko bokono mujumbe wense mu ebunge West Mugirango Mheshimiwa Steve Mokaka uyosabira abajumbe kobeka emeroberio yo koringoria amachiko yobotumiki bwe mitandao eyo hase eri kwanike gutanga obotumiki obobe bwe mitandao eyo.
Kagukwana asamagacho yebungenene niga iroko boko oroboti ororwekigwa ase bosyo bwebunge ase ahorokirie omugokoye ase bunge ya 13 ase oburayo buya yahorokirie ase miswada
Speaker, technology is an enabler of every service delivery and any technology including the TikTok we are talking about should only be regulated, not banned. And for that reason, I thank this committee for living with the times and for making the 13th Parliament a proud parliament that would regulate any product that comes to this country rather than being selfish and slow-moving by thinking of banning it. When you look at other mainstream media, there is regulation through the Media Council. And as the mainstream media is regulated, so should be every media, including social media, including the TikTok. And I urge inventors, particularly those in social media, to rise to the occasion like the mainstream media rose and set up a self-regulation for themselves. It's unfortunate that it is Parliament now pushing for this regulation, meaning therefore that these inventors are not living with the times. I have noticed that we are saying the social media unregulated is only dangerous to young persons. Madam Speaker, I think bad content is bad no matter the age, because it is not a license that once you are an adult, you go exhibiting your nudities and what is done in bedrooms and splashing them in social.
Ebunge ye Senate nigo yasabire kubika emerobilyo na bwetia amachiko amatingu ilyokonekia abakoli emirimo be serikali imeyense nkonyora bale engere yabo ya retire ekero bakolire emirimo yabo
ka ukwana samagacho ye bunge heyo elituko lya lero chinga kicho kurwa hebirangerero byaye hasorobotirwe committee ya Labor and Social Welfare Masenata we county ya Kisii Richard Onyonka wasabira ba senata kubeka amachiko ayo harachiko bakonya abakenya abo bakolire emirimo yabo na bakonyora obokongo bukoria engeria yabo.
Because we seem to very casually treat these monies that are owned by employees, whether they're, as I've said earlier, whether they're working for the national government. I don't have the evidence whether there were any who have worked for this National Assembly or rather Parliament, but I know Parliament has been behaving reasonably well recently. But previously, these were issues where we had some of our colleagues coming to this National Assembly for more than 6 or 7 years, chasing after their retirement benefits. And Madam Speaker, the point I want to make is that even if you look at this money that we are talking about, which is supposed to be the deductions for our people, you can extrapolate it, and my colleagues, look at the other compensatory issues that have been raised in this house, that we do not treat our people with dignity, we don't treat Kenyans as real Kenyans, and we don't handle Kenyans the way we should. And Madam Speaker, I want to raise an issue which I saw where a member of parliament of Kituru Chache South, Anthony Kibagendi, is being vilified, and in fact the House has decided that he has not behaved very well by him publicly mentioning that basically as members of parliament, even the Senate, we are becoming useless. That's the indictment that the public out here keeps raising about us. And the reason is we need to capture the mood. We need to understand what Kenyans want. Those things that don't need politics, can't we fix them? I don't see how individuals who are complaining why they are not being paid their retirement benefits, how this can be politics. Surely we can sit in this house, set up a subcommittee, which is given permission or through the statutory powers of the Labour Committee, and make recommendations, and those recommendations are final and binding.
Mwanchumu rigaria notuika omweria sense megen tangani yama yakuru ensoko chinsa isato grato kumanyanga toskara sengenjo enkwana ikobwati yabeno butkobwarero una Frida chika ukomanya buri tangani ntubwato mageni ase studio asetura chiko sanga mange hayo arengete hamagendro abego baraiboge siasa kuruase county ya Kisii
nchenda bengo gotika samago kae Clinton Ndigi no mageni tobwiri tukolia lero mo MCA we ward ya Ibeno Steve Arika asmorabe mo gosanga amange gende gutoro bulgelyo bye migetaseni gensoko.